Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Munchkin arm and hammer diaper bag dispenser. Colors may vary. These bags are the perfect size to contain a dirty diaper, or even other things that may need to be contained. The holder takes up very little room, which is nice, since the less room this takes up, the more room for other necessities to fit in. This is so incredibly helpful and convenient. It clips right on the diaper bag. The bags are a little big for holding one diaper, but they smell nice, which is great when you want to cover the smell of a poopy diaper. They help eliminate the smell of soiled diapers without a strong floral smell of its own. It would be nice if this had a clip rather than the slit on the loop. It is so nice to have with your diaper bag for easy access when dealing with a dirty diaper. Loads of throwaway plastic diaper bags hidden in a small container that can slip into travel diaper bags, handbags, car doors, and pockets. This container does not release the scent in any way until the bag is taken out. Perfect for throwing in the diaper bag and bagging up dirty diapers on the go. The dispenser is small enough that it doesn't take up much room and doesn't weigh down the diaper bag either. It is wonderful to have a little bag on the go to put dirty diapers or wet things in when a trash can isn't handy. For a couple bucks, it provides a level of protection against having to throw wet items right into the diaper bag. The knob lets you move the bags around to make it easier to get to when you need to dispense. Does what you'd expect, is well sized, and conveniently latches onto your diaper bag. Doggy moms, dads, these are the best bags for cleanups when out walking your fur babies. The baking soda scent cuts down on the smell until you can dispose of it properly. Everything about this is great, except the part that allows it to clip onto diaper bag. Especial cuando estás de visita en la casa de alguien bueno de jarl malal or con los penales de tu hijo. You won't even notice the poop smell once it's secure in the little baggie and placed in the garbage. These are essentially dog poop bags, but there are a few things that make the extra buck worth it. Additionally, the closure of the plastic loop is not complete, which allows it to fall off easily. This is great to clip on a diaper bag to help stash dirty diapers in. Prefer these bags over similar, but cheaper bags, as they don't tear, and they smell good too. Has saved me many times with blowout diapers, and for clothes that were soaked, and had to go back in the bag. The bags smell nice, and do a good job of keeping odor in, and insulating. The lightly scented sacks take care of any dirty diaper you're wanting to dispose of without stinking up your friends' family's trash cans. If you throw the diaper in the bag before throwing it in the garbage, it masks the smell. The bags are absolutely huge though. They easily hold 34 wrapped up pee diapers, and 23 messy diapers. Only wishes the clip was a bit better, but it's low cost, so can't complain too much. This diaper bag dispenser is a little lifesaver when you have to do car diaper changes, or are somewhere where there isn't a trash can available. It's nice to be able to contain the monstrosities that come out of your baby in a freshly scented bag until you are near a trash can. There is nothing worse than the moment you are out and about, and child gets a dirty diaper. They allow me to throw dirty diapers in with our regular trash, and not have to take it out as often. It comes out on the first pull, and then it's hard to continue pulling it out. It is rather uncomfortable if you have baby in one hand, and you're trying to get the bag with the other. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.